You know, guys, that's not gonna happen to me.
How do you know? To you.
Because I'm pretty smart.
Sure. You're crazy. That's all you are. Okay, I'm tired of the music.
Yeah, turn it off.
Done.
Finally.
Can we sleep?
Yeah. I don't know. Like, I'm really bored, guys. Like, do something. Like, what the heck is that? Go shut the door. What is that? Don't do it! Somebody's gonna kill us. Oh my god! Where the hell is my cell phone? Oh, it's right here. Too stupid. Wait, she called me.
Who call you?
This girl, Elizabeth.
Oh, what does she want? Just carry me.
Yeah, me too. Heck. I'm trying to call her back, but I don't know what is. Turn her cell phone. Wait. Heck. She's not answering. Let me call her again. That's weird. That's scary.
It is. It is, girl.
There's someone